ItsRimi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me comment down so you guys don't think I'm so extra, but yeah, I just missed YouTube so much. I missed my YouTube fam so much. I'm just so happy to be filming. Anyways, I decided to come back today with my most highly requested video probably in the history of my YouTube channel, and that is all about my haircut. You guys always ask about my haircut. What do I ask for when I go to a salon? I don't go to a salon. I cut my hair at home by myself because I don't trust hairstylists. They have screwed my hair up one too many times. So yeah, this is the video for the peeps out there that have experienced the same thing and you guys just want to cut your own hair at home. I got you. Basically, I just give myself long layers. You guys always ask me if I do something fancy with my haircuts. It's just long layers, but I think when you have curly hair, the way the hair falls, it makes it look fancier than it actually does. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have. I just have long layers. It's super easy to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to just do this video because I know how many people have been asking for it and are waiting for it. So before I jump into anything, obviously, just have to put this out there. I'm not a hairstylist. I didn't go to school for this. This is just how I do my own hair. So for all of the hair police out there that are about to go crazy in the comments, if you guys don't like the way I cut my hair, just let's woo-saw, because this is just how I cut my hair. It's just hair. It's not that serious. It goes back. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here. Hold up, actually, before I get started with anything, do we notice that 100K down there? What? Yeah. Literally, while I was in the process of moving, we hit 100K, and I was like, wait, what? I just got so happy. I was over the moon about it. It honestly happened at the most perfect time because I was so stressed out, and then I hit 100K, and it just made me so happy. So thank you guys to all of my new subbies on here. So enough with the rambling. Now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I have this towel on my head, and that's because you're gonna want to be doing this on wet hair, either wet hair or straight hair. But if you have curly hair, like myself, then you probably want to do this on wet hair if you don't want to straighten your hair. So all you're gonna need are some scissors, of course, and then a hair tie. This is one of those hair ties that has the little hooks at the end, and I just love using these better than the regular hair ties because these don't rip my hair out, and you can control how tight you want your pony to be. So anyways, yeah, I'll link these down below if you guys want to get some. They're super cheap on Amazon for a pack of 20 or something. And then these are just regular hair cutting scissors. They are hair cutting scissors, I promise. Make sure you are using the right scissors because you want them to be sharp enough to cut your hair and not cause any split ends or anything. So yeah, just make sure that you're using the right scissors and that they are sharp enough. So the longest piece of my hair, oh, I can't even get it in the frame, but it goes to basically below my butt now. It was at my butt and now we're below my butt. It's the top of my thigh length, which I can't do that anymore. That's just Pocahontas long. And I need to cut it. So what you want to do is flip your head over, and then what you want to do is make a ponytail literally right here at the very front of your head, and make sure you smooth it all out. Make sure there's no bumps in the back or anything. You want to make a very, very tight and even ponytail. Basically, why cutting your hair like this gives you long layers is because since your head is round, your hair won't all be one length once you let your hair back down. So the hair from up here, when you're cutting it, is going to be shorter than the hair that's all the way back here that you're cutting. So I don't know if that made sense, did it? So you can either hold your hair like this and cut it, or you can take a regular hair tie and then tie the hair where you want to cut it. And this is a really, really good trick if you're a beginner and you just kind of don't trust yourself freehanding it like this. Since my hair kind of dried up since I was talking a lot, I'm gonna wet it really quick. Okay, I'm going to start off just with a little bit. You want to start off with a little bit and then work your way up if you want to cut more after that, because it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, so we're just gonna start off by cutting this much, and do you guys see like how raggedy these ends are looking? These definitely have got to go. I'm so nervous. I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're doing it. Oh my gosh. We did it. Okay. Oh, that is actually super even. I thought it was about to like be all janky, but it's even. All right, guys. So I just cut off that much hair. I just cut off that much hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my hair is so short. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this hair tie off. Wow, I'm actually proud of myself that I did that, because usually I'm a chicken and I cut like half an inch off, but that really needed to go. But my ends are looking so much healthier now and so much thicker. Like having these ends, it made the ends of my hair look so thin and sparse. So I'm just so glad that I did that. So now I'm just gonna take my hair out. So I don't know if you guys can see, but the layers start from like right here, and then they just get longer as you go down. And that's literally how easy it is to give yourself long layers at home. And the thing is, since you brought all of your hair like to the center, no matter like which side you flip it on, it's gonna basically look even. And with curly hair, it's super forgiving. Like it's very hard to tell if your haircut is uneven when you have curly hair. If I part my hair down the middle and like go down, like you'll see like all of the layers are even, going all the way down your head. Oh, I don't look cute with the middle part. I always get questions about how my hair has like that V shape at the very end of it, and when you cut your hair like this, the long layers automatically give it that shape in the back. So I don't know if you guys can tell, since my hair is like super frizzy and like combed out right now, but it does have that shape. And my hair is still like definitely to my butt, so like this haircut is not going to take away too much from your length. It just more so gives you those long layers. So I do kind of want like a little bit more off of these front pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut more. So from where the top of my ear is, what I'm going to do is go from the top of my head and go straight down to the top of my ear, and I'm going to section that part off. So basically what I'm going to do is just cut down in a diagonal, and I'll just start like from down here and work my way up. So basically you just want to cut down like this to give it like that nice layered look. So like that, and if my hair was straight, you guys would be able to see it a lot better, but like you see how it just goes down like this. So I'm going to do a little more. And yes, the hair is just going on my floor. I'm going to like sweep it up. So this like little bang section, it actually used to be like up to my nose, and it grew like literally down to my butt. So I don't want it back up to my nose, but maybe like at my neck. I don't know. Yeah, okay, we'll start from like here. Okay, something to keep in mind with curly hair, it does get shorter when it like bounces back up. So just keep that in mind. Like this is like basically brushed out and kind of wavy straight right now, but once it gets curly, it'll probably be like at my neck. So this is good enough for me. Now onto the other side, we're gonna do the same exact thing, just cut down this way. And you know what's funny about me? Like I'm left-handed, but if I'm doing something on this side, I gotta do it with my right hand. If I'm doing something on this side, I gotta do it with my left hand. So basically, like, I'm both-handed. I'm gonna do it again. Alright, so now if I flip my hair over, you guys will see that now the shortest layer starts up here, like at my neck, and then all the layers work their way down. And obviously when my hair has like product in it and it's styled, it'll look a lot better than this. Right now it just all combed out and it's like frizzy and poofy, but I really like how this turned out. So I'm gonna style my hair and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Alright you guys, so I am back and my hair is basically all dry, and as you guys can see, it just looks so much healthier, and the bottom is just looking so much thicker and healthier. It's so crazy because just cutting off that little bit gave me so much bounce back into my hair. Like, these bottom parts never used to be like this curly looking. So yeah, my hair is so weird. Like, as you guys can see, like right here, it's like wavy and then it gets curly at the bottom, and then sometimes I have little curls up here at the roots. Like, does anyone else have crazy multi-textured hair like this? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this hair cutting tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.